Your IRA book for week number 12 is Doobie Doobie Moo. If you haven't already and you need to scan the QR code to listen and watch the book before you start your journal prompt. If you've already watched the story today, then you can move on and start your job. The prompt says, what do the farm animals want in this story? What do they do to get what they want? So you're going to be writing me 2 sentences. You can write me more if you'd like to, but at least 2 sentences to answer this prompt. The first sentence, you're going to be telling me what do the farm animals want in this story. And the second sentence, you're going to be telling me what do they do to get what they want in the story. Remember to be ending your thoughts with periods. And remember, if you need to write more than 2 sentences, that is okay. You can write more than 2 sentences. And if you need more room, you can go on the back of the paper. Don't forget your name at the bottom.